What's happening, guys? Welcome to AdvSouthAfrica. On my Instagram, I asked you guys, would you rather choose a 4-stroke or a 2-stroke? And you guys wanted to hear both. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So I've got my external mic. We're going to put it on both bikes. We're going to hear the exhausts of both these bikes, not only at idle, but also on the road. So I hope you guys enjoy. Just keep in mind that this is purely an audio comparison. We're not comparing performance or anything else. We're just going for that sound. So just before we go out and get on the road, I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of both my bikes over here. So they're both street legal. This one over here is a 1993 KDX 125 SR. It's a 2-stroke with a performance pipe, so it will sound quite mean. I actually really like the sound of this pipe. And then over here we got the CRF 250R. This is a stock pipe, stock motor, but it is a motocross bike, so they sound pretty mean. So let's get into it. there you guys have it. A direct comparison of my 2-stroke versus my 4-stroke. What do you guys think? Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. Definitely consider subscribing. And if you want to see the blooper where I killed the GoPro busy recording this, definitely continue watching till the end. Cheers, guys. So I was busy getting a cool shot under there, and the fire ate the GoPro. So still recording, but goodbye Hero 8, eh?